Which of these 4 personal mobility scooters will you own? There are many makes and models of personal mobility scooters to choose from. Break them down and they fall into the 4 following categories of scooters. Here they are. 1. Folding/easily transported scooters. Your scooter won't do you much good if you have to go onto a trip and can't take it with you. That's when this type of scooter comes into play. Usually this type of scooter can be disassembled into 3 or 4 pieces of lightweight parts, making the scooter easily transportable. Able to fit into the trunk of most cars. 2. 3-wheeled scooters. As the name implies, this scooter has 3 wheels instead of 4. And it usually has a maximum weight capacity of 300 to 500 pounds, offering comfort and durability. 3-wheel scooters can get you where you want to go indoors and outdoors. 3. 4-wheeled scooters. If you plan on mostly using your scooter outdoors, then a 4-wheeled personal mobility scooter is probably right for you. Obviously, because this type of scooter has 4 wheels instead of 3, it's much more stable. With bigger tires than 3 3-wheeler, it's able to go as fast as 10 miles per hour. 4. Heavy-duty electrified personal mobility scooters. This type of scooter can come with 3 or 4 wheels and can support a maximum weight capacity of 500 pounds. The type of personal mobility scooter you buy will depend upon several factors, including weight of the user, whether the scooter will be used mostly indoors or outdoors, and the amount of usage involved. Make sure you inform your salesperson of these factors. Don't get talked into buying a scooter you don't need.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Transform your old articles and ebooks into brand new audio content and use it to create podcasts or videos for your YouTube or TV channel. Visit allsuper.info and ask our live support for details.